Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide copper radiator pipes. So I've bought this and it's from Amazon and it is a radiator sleeve. Now these things are very flexible and they are great for hiding the pipe work. So as you can see here, that's the before and that is the after. These are my copper pipes there, and I am going to measure the distance between here and here, and then I'm going to measure these, and then I'm going to literally, because it's so flexible, just cut them with some scissors, and then we're going to see the transformation. So first things first, let's measure. So with my tape measure, and it is roughly, I would say, like 11 and a half there, 11 and a half centimeters in there. And this one, let's check, let's see, it's going to be slightly smaller. So this one is just about, I'd say about 9 centimeters there. Let's get this open. Okay, so they look like this. And if I show you the hollowness and the flexibility of these, great things, great for pipes, only need to use the 2. So great for additional pipe work. I'll leave a link down below for this. And right, so we did say 9 centimeters for the small one. So we're just gonna get my tape measure out and pull out 9 centimeters. So I've got my black marker here. I'm going to measure out the 9 centimeters. Right, roughly about there. And then we're just going to cut that. So here we are, we have this at 9 centimeters, and now I'm going to cut that. Just to show you how flexible it is, look, pair of scissors, and there you go. So there it is. Let's hope that that was the right measurement. That's one. Check and see what this one is. Might be the right. Let's just check if that one is going to make it. No. It's 12 centimeters. And there we have it. We have our lovely white pipes. And if I didn't know any better, I wouldn't. And if I didn't know any better, I would never know. I would think that they were actually just the pipe work and they were just in white. You can get these as well in different colours. You can get them in the chrome as well, but yeah, I obviously want white because it goes with my white pipes and it doesn't look as like it stands out. But yes, I definitely recommend them. So please, if you're thinking about hiding your pipes, definitely check the link out below because these are great. Hope to see you all again in another video. Bye for now.